CS 306 Computer Networks Module 5. In this section we will study about Internet Group Management Protocol. Already we have studied about what is Internet Multicasting and an introduction about IGMP. See, here we have a detailed study about Internet Group Management Protocol. Actually, Internet Group Management Protocol is not involved in performing multicast communication. It is used to build up a multicast group, and also it maintains a membership details and the details of the members are stored in the multicast router. The multicast router collects the present status about the members of the particular group. IGMP is also a network layer protocol. During communication, it functions along with Internet protocol. Next we study about what are the different types of messages exchanged in multicast group communication. IGMP messages can be categorized into three different types: query message, membership report message and leave report message. Query message again can be categorized into general query message or special query message. General query message is a message. It is required to send a common information to all the members of the group. Special query message is used when a particular information is sent to a member of a group. That is a unique cast and it has to identify individual or the recipient of the message. Next we will see about the message format of IGMP. The message format of IGMP contains 4 different contents maintained in the message. That is the type of the message, maximum response time, that is the amount of waiting time for the reply message, and checksum. Checksum represents the value which is used for determining the error in the message along with the group address. Group address can be of two types. One is a common group address, that is represented as zeros, and group address for a particular identity, that is a uniquely identified host. The type of the message can be of different types. So it is for a query message, special query message or general query message, membership report message and leave message. If it is of type 0001, it represents a query message, and if it is of type 00010110, it is a membership report message, and if it is of type 00010110, it is a leave report message. Maximum response time specifies the amount of time that is for receiving an answer or response from the message. It is 1/10 of a second. And checksum is a value used for determining whether any error has occurred in the message. And group address can be of two types, that is a general query message and special queries, different by their identity, that is zeros for general query message and other unique identity for special query message. Next we will study about the different operations that is performed in a multicast group. Multicast router initiates and monitors about the activities performed in a multicast group. The activities are done by exchanging message in the group, and the messages can be of two types: join group message, monitor group message as well as leave group message. So join group message is used for when a member need to enter into a group. Host maintains a list of process. Process is a task that is done to complete an action. A host can contain number of processes. So communication can happen among the process, and this is monitored by the host. So when a new process need to enter into a host, it has to send a join request message. Likewise, a multicast router has number of members and it monitors about the members of the group. Members of the group can be the host or the router. When a new member, that is a host or a router, need to enter into the group, it has to send a join group message. And the host maintains a list of process, as well as multicast router maintains a list about the members of the particular group. And a membership message is exchanged among the members of the group to know about the present status of the members. So membership message is sent twice. So even if one message is damaged or lost, or it is not received by the intended receiver, the other message can be received by the receiver. So the membership message is to collect the information about the status of the members of the group. Next is about the leave group message. When a process is no longer functioning in the group, it can be removed from the group, as well as when a host or a router is no longer interested in continuing the group, it can leave from the group. Leaving from the group is happened by sending a leave group message to all other members. So, and the multicast router or a host can itself initiate the relieving of the members of the group. A host can relieve a process from its group if it identifies that the process is no longer functioning in the particular group, as well as if a router, multicast router, finds that a particular host is no longer interested in receiving a message or receiving any communication from the group, and it is not involving in any communication, it can relieve or remove that particular member by sending a leave group message. Thus, leave message is shared among the members of the group to pointing that a particular member is time being leaving from the group. Next is about the membership message. And if in a group a join operation or a leave operation is no longer happening, in between the join and leave operation, the multicast router can monitor about what is happening in the group. If it is not receiving any message from a particular group member for a long period of time, so it identifies that that particular member is not belonging to the group. So periodically the multicast router will send a query message to collect the status about the members of the group. So the query messages represent 0.0.0. Since it is a common group message. Thus by using the message, it can have the information about the members of the group. So these are all about the messages shared among the members of the group. So in this lecture we have studied about what is the role of IGMP and what are the different type of messages communicated through IGMP protocol, what is the format of the message, and what are the operations performed in the group, that is join operation, leave operations, and the membership report collection operation.